ready to witness the most insane truck concept ever created. This is the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor R. A 720 horsepower supercharged monster that's about to redefine what America's best-selling truck can do. Thank you for clicking on this video. You're about to see automotive history in the making. For those dreaming of ultimate truck domination, this beast is built to make those dreams reality. Let's dive into pure American muscle. The 2026 Raptor R concept takes everything legendary about Ford's desert racing heritage and amplifies it to 11. This isn't just another truck refresh, it's a complete reimagining of what high-performance off-road capability looks like in the modern era.
Just look at this aggressive stance. The concept features a wider, more muscular body with massive fender flares housing those intimidating 37H BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. The signature Ford block letters dominate that commanding grille, while LED lighting signatures create an unmistakable road presence that demands respect.
Step inside and discover a cockpit built for conquest. Premium leather-appointed seats with unique Raptor stitching, a massive 12-inch digital cluster, and Sync 4 technology keep you connected. Carbon fiber accents and aluminum paddle shifters remind you this is no ordinary truck, it's a performance machine.
Here's where it gets absolutely insane. The heart of this beast, a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 Predator engine cranking out 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. That's 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds for a full-size truck. With Ram TRX discontinued and Chevrolet having no answer, the 2026 Raptor R concept stands alone as America's ultimate high-performance truck. Ford's engineering team has created something that can conquer Baja deserts and suburban streets with equal authority.
The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor R concept isn't just a truck, it's a 720 horsepower statement that American automotive engineering still leads the world. Could this be the ultimate dream truck? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more insane automotive concepts.